In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to blend clips in CapCut PC step by step so you can create smoother overlays, cinematic effects, and more creative edits in just a few minutes. If you've ever wanted to combine two visuals, make an image or video sit nicely on top of another, or get that polished blended look without guessing your way through the software, this guide is for you. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is import your media into CapCut PC. Open your project and bring in the clips or images you want to blend. You can usually do this by dragging and dropping your files into the media area, then placing them onto the timeline. Once your clips are in the timeline, the most important part is the layer order. The clip or image you want to blend should go on a higher track, like video track 2, directly above your base footage on video track 1. This is what allows CapCut to mix the top layer with the clip underneath it. If your clips are not stacked correctly, the blend effect won't work the way you expect. So take a second to make sure the base video is on the lower track and the blend layer is sitting above it. This simple setup is the foundation of the whole effect. Next, click on the clip in the upper track so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted and the editing options appear on the right side of the screen. This part is important because CapCut only shows the blend controls for the clip you currently have selected. Now, look over to the right panel. Make sure you are in the Video tab and then open the Basic sub-tab. This is where CapCut keeps the main visual controls for your selected clip. Once you're in the right place, scroll down until you find the Blend section. When you get to the Blend section, turn it on by checking the box. As soon as you enable it, CapCut will let you choose from different blending modes. This is where the magic happens. Open the drop-down menu and test out the available options, such as multiply, screen, overlay, or color dodge. Each blend mode changes how the top layer interacts with the clip below it. Multiply is great for darkening and layering textures. Screen usually works well for lighter effects and bright visuals. Overlay gives you a stronger contrast effect, while color dodge can create a more intense, glowing look. The best mode depends on the style you want, so don't be afraid to click through a few options and preview the results. Once you find a blend mode that looks good, the next step is to adjust the opacity. Right next to the blend mode setting, you'll see the opacity slider. Lowering the opacity makes the top layer more transparent, so the footage underneath shows through more naturally. This is one of the easiest ways to fine-tune the effect and make the blend look less harsh. A lot of people stop at just choosing a blend mode, but the opacity adjustment is what really helps you control the final look. If the effect feels too strong, bring the opacity down. If you want more of the top clip to stand out, raise it back up until it looks balanced. The goal is to make both layers work together instead of competing with each other. And that's really all there is to it. Import your clips, stack them correctly, select the top layer, open the blend section in the Video tab under Basic, choose your blend mode, and adjust the opacity until it looks right. Once you've done it a couple of times, blending in CapCut PC becomes very quick and easy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut PC editing guides. And if you want, I can also show you how to use blend modes for text, images, transitions, and cinematic effects in your next edit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.